Like, subscribe, and share.
Hi guys! What is one thing that you really miss whenever you're eating keto? One of my major things is mashed potatoes. So, I'm going to make a cauliflower mash today. It's going to be really good. I have some water that I've brought up to a boil. I have 2 packages of frozen cauliflower. I'm going to drop in there. They are £1 per bag. I'm going to bring them back up to a boil and cook them until they're fork tender, 8 to 10 minutes maybe, depending on how long it takes to reheat. Alright, our cauliflower is tender, so I've taken it off the heat and drained it. So I'm going to pour about half of it in here, that way we get everything mixed up really well. We're going to do this in 2 different batches. So this has probably got about £1 or so in there. I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter. Who doesn't like a lot of butter? About 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Two ounces of cream cheese. Okay. Now we're going to mix this up until it is totally smooth. Alright, now we've got this all mixed up. We'll combine it with our first batch. Get it in there. This is so creamy. I cannot wait to eat this. Okay. And we're going to do salt and pepper to taste. My little one doesn't like much pepper, so. Give it a quick little mix. And I have to test it. That is excellent. That's a fantastic substitute for mashed potatoes. Hope you guys enjoy. This is the cauliflower mash. It was excellent. I will definitely be making that one again. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Give it a try. It has a great flavor.
Like, subscribe, and share.